Oh, no microphone. Oh, it was disabled by default. Okay, thank you for telling me. I don't know. It seemed the stream avatars maybe could be the problem because actually when I launched it, both monitors became black. Wow. Okay, anyway. I think I have to reboot, but let's continue a bit and see. Maybe we can. Maybe we can. Maybe we can do stuff. Why is it returning the face name like this? That's so annoying. Also, where do we store this face thing is? Because this is, okay, I understand that here is reading the stuff, right? But, and it's very nice, and I thank you for the... Oh, get child node doesn't exist. I think it's called get children. No. Get children nodes. Then find child node. Get child node is an hallucination. Is find child node. Exactly. Uh-oh, he changed everything. He changed everything. No! Phase name, initial bet. Why is doing it this way? This is so stupid. This code is so stupid. It's exactly not the way I wanted to do it, right? So he's basically going by phase. No, this is completely brain dead. Your code is pretty bad as you are explicitly searching for a phase name instead of just loading each phase with the same code. Exactly. Yeah, that's super stupid. I mean, that's the most stupid thing I ever seen. Okay, let's see what structure he wants to do. He wants to make properties in dice roll command. T-map, each roll dice node a T-map of attributes. Okay, I think I should stop watching this and just do it myself, guys, because this is a bit crazy the way he's doing it here. I mean, this is better. So he's using an array of phases, and then he's running on. Yeah, that is probably better. Wait, let's start from this. This seems to be more reasonable, actually, than the shit that he had before. So how do we want to define the phases? Well, the phases needs to be the phase data, right? The phase data. Is the music too loud? Maybe yes. Let me drink because I'm dying. I'm dying. No, I'm not. I'm not. Everything is fine. So how is the structure of our phases? Structure of our phases is for sure the phase name. And then we have some properties, right? The property is if this is a betting phase or if it's a rolling phase. I think that we can just define it like that. We can just have is betting, is rolling, right? Because anyway, it's one or the other. It can never happen at the same time, right? Yeah, probably actually 4 events, right? I don't know why properties. Why is thinking this way? I don't think it's a great idea. Okay, let me do it differently. I don't think this is a great idea. Where do we define the struct? I think we define it here, right? We define it in this nice file. Okay, my second monitor went off again. GG. Yeah. So phase name, yes. Show all dice, yes. Resolve winner, yes. But also I think that I want to have is betting, and is rolling, right? The only problem is that you may roll different dice at different time. But yeah, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. So what we want to keep, if we are betting, we need the minimum bet, right? So we need an integer with the minimum bet that I would say starts with 1 as a default. And betting phase properties. And if he's rolling, we have what? We have the type of dice and the quantity, right? Dice type. I think we already have a dice type. The only problem is that it could be a mix, no? Well, let's start easy, boys. Let's start easy. I mean, like you having like 2d8, 1d12, 3d20. I think is in one phase. I think is a bit weird, right? So let's keep it sane. We have an e-dice type. My second monitor shut down again. Very nice. Let me try to stop stream avatars for a second. I'm closing stream avatars, so you will not see your toons running around, but I want to see if that is... Nah, it really looks like... Because there is one symbol, I cannot screenshot it because it's outside of the... I mean, it's in the monitor menu, but there is one thing that is showing, which is the... Oh my god, both my monitors went off now. Uh-oh. 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 Okay, they're back, but my monitor goes off randomly. Latest Windows update in the last 24 hours. No, in the last week. I don't know. In the last month, my external monitor goes on and off randomly after the last update. Yeah, it happened to me as well. Exactly. What the hell is going on? My laptop is facing an internal software issue. I connect to external monitor. Display on and off. I changed my HDMI cable and connected directly to my laptop monitor. Seems to have fixed the problem. Huh. I don't know. I think I need a restart. But we will hold on until we can. Perhaps just the cable. Yeah, but it's strange that the cable for 2 monitors, right? So 2 cables are wrong. 2 cables seems to be problematic. And it only happened after I rebooted, after the Windows update, because there has been a Windows update that I installed. I think I can also check which one. Right? I think the Windows update has a history, if I remember right. View update history, exactly. Installed. Look at this. Yeah, installed 426, right? This I installed today. So I installed this thing. Which was required, whatever. KB, whatever. After. Oh wow, this KB is not even in the list. Doesn't exist on the internet. GG. It seems that there is another one, but it's an optional quality update. I don't know. Okay, we try to hold tight and see what happens, and then I will do a reboot one day. But yeah, my second monitor is continuously showing an icon like the menu icon, like if it's getting weird input from the PC. I don't know. What I was saying, yes, the dice type, right? So as default should be a D6, and then this is the dice amount, right? Dice amount, which starts with 1, the minimum. And I think that the show, well, the show actually is the show. No, I need the hidden. Second monitor went off again. First monitor went off now. Oh my god. I need the visibility, right? If it's hidden or not. Okay. So we need a bool. Dice visible, right? As a default, I think it will be true, but in our game it will be false. Okay. End game phase. Okay. I think this is the structure that we need. We don't need any of this. Show all dice usually is a property of the betting phase, right? After you roll. Yeah. After you roll. Yeah, I think it's a good structure. I like it. So now we need to populate this by reading that. Second monitor went off. Just keeping you up to date on my struggles. If command tag text roll dice. If command tag text roll dice. Yeah, exactly. If command tag text roll dice, resolve winner. Yeah, exactly. Okay, let me try to ask maybe the artificial intelligence can do it. Maybe he can do it. But then we will have to triple check it because the artificial intelligence tends to give you the answer like 90% correct. Okay, this is my struct. And I want to read this XML into my struct for each phase. I'm becoming lazy that I don't want to program anymore. I'm just asking the AI to do it. Am I becoming lazy, boys? Maybe. I think that one of the results of AI is that everyone becomes lazy. And it's just kind of program guessing. So asking the AI and then guessing if he's correct, right? Oh my god. What have we become? What have we become? Yeah, but it's exactly the behavior, you know, that children will have, right, with AI. So the children that are born now... Wait, I think I copy-pasted twice the same. I think the children that are born now, right, and they start with AI, they will definitely question the usefulness of learning anything, right? Because anyway, the AI can give them the answer. So they will really be using their brain in a different way, right? Oh my god, guys, I think we have a problem. My monitor went completely crazy for a second and I saw like slanted lines. I saw like okay, I will restart the stream. 1 second, I will reboot. There is no way. Cannot work this way. I will reboot, okay? Reboot.